Hey guys, so hopefully all of you are on your gardening and planting journey. I know I am for sure. Some of us just want to go to Home Depot, buy some starts, get some stuff in the ground, watch it grow, and that's rewarding enough. And that's fantastic. I applaud anybody that starts a garden where there wasn't one before. However, some of us are trying to go a little deeper with this journey, in a more permaculture sense, in a more regenerative agriculture, building soil and trying to replicate natural ecosystems, around our homes or wherever we choose to take part in that kind of activity. One of the problems with gardening and being so enmeshed in nature is that there's animals and things that you must share your space with. All too often, if you're in an urban kind of situation, the animals are going to be jumping for joy that there's actually some green happening around them. So this is something you're going to have to prepare for. I wasn't prepared. So I've been here in Plias almost 6 months, and the journey has been nearly consistent with just trying to reduce the mortality rate of my plants. So this is going to be for somebody that maybe has chickens of their own in a free range kind of situation. I don't have any chickens of my own, but my neighbors have plenty. Um, Everyone's just kind of living in concrete boxes with concrete patios, so it's a desert if I haven't told you 1 million times already. It's slim pickings for food out here. We're just at the end of the rainy season. We got all of our rain like in 4 days in the beginning of the season, so basically everything around here is pretty dried up and scrubby. The only green is really in my garden, so you would imagine that all of these animals are jumping to get in here. Um, yeah, pretty much every morning my neighbor's chickens are in my yard. So yeah, if you're trying to start an organic garden, trying to grow your own food, and maybe also get some eggs out of it, maybe get some meat from your chickens, or whatever you're trying to do. If you have poultry around your garden, this is usually a no-no, but I'm starting to figure out a way to keep that under wraps. So again, if you have free-range chickens, or if your neighbors have free-range chickens, this is going to help you with controlling that and keeping your babies alive. All right? I hope you like it. Hey guys, just wanted to share a little gardening tip with you. Most mornings I find myself either patrolling my garden to chase the chickens away or nearly in tears because they've torn up whatever I've planted. So I've been trying to be creative and think of some other solutions that, you know, could keep my stress levels down. And I seem to have found one. Whenever you plant some seedlings, you could just take some sticks and put them around like a cage. Most of the time the chickens would be drawn to this edge of the bed and want to scratch it all up. But as you can see, I mean, maybe not, but I have a jalapeno in there hiding. There's a zucchini right there hiding. I have some okra right there. And they came in over the last 2 days. I've been out in the city and taking care of some stuff, so I haven't been around to be a security guard. But, they didn't get anything, which is fantastic. So, all it takes is a little ingenuity, and you can make it happen despite the efforts of everyone around you. Everybody is good. All right, set up those cages. Don't let your little babies die. I love you. Here's to things that grow. Happy planting. Yeah, so hopefully you got something out of that. There are other alternatives for protecting your garden. a lot of those tend to be, very time and money intensive. Here I'm trying to find strategies that aren't so dependent on, going down to the hardware store and picking stuff up. I know a lot of us, can't at sometimes or just don't really want to. So, I'm trying to align myself with nature as much as possible. We have tons of resources around us all the time. So, if you'd like to go out to Home Depot and grab some fencing, you know, I have those walls are about 6 feet, 7 feet tall, and yeah, these are birds, so that doesn't really do anything, unless you're willing to put a ceiling, like fully enclose your garden in a cage. You're gonna have to find some other solutions. So hopefully you found one. Right, the idea is to keep these sticks in these cages as close to the plants as possible. You don't want a chicken being able to jump over your 6, 7 inch stick and get inside your cage and really mess it all up. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it spread a little light on your situation if you're struggling the same way that I am. If not, God bless you. You're having a great gardening run. So yeah, get those sticks out there and just keep using that noggin. Right? We're always looking for creative solutions. I love you.